My cousin Marlene loved succulents like I do. I'm going to read my eulogy that I delivered at the funeral service. A lot of people watching live were not able to hear my eulogy. Marlene, my heart is in pain and heavy. We had a lot of conversations and shared many secrets. I'll miss your cooking, especially the pork belly, pinakbet, Maine lobsters, and the Tomahawk. Every time I left your house, you always had something for my husband. The Tomahawk was so huge that it took us days to finish. You always gave me the best and made me feel special. I'll miss your beautiful face, garden, and the farm. You also gave me box after box of crystals from Germany, which I will treasure forever. You told me to sell them in my thrift shop in the Philippines, but I kept them all. It's hard to imagine not having you around, but we will all go to heaven. God calls us at different times. Those of us left behind will have good memories of you. You asked me to never forget you and to write a story about you. But today is not the day to read that story. I will never forget you because you are like my sister. Our fathers are twins. I've always felt close to you, and I know you felt close to me too. You shared secrets and you made confessions about your feelings towards your dad and mom. I listened and gave you advice. I always told you that your dad loved you very much. I remember when you graduated from high school, your dad bought you a brand new car, and we were in awe. I know that car was a bribe for you to stay and go to college. You could have stayed and gone to college at the University of Guam, but you left for reasons only you know. Your dad gave you $20 when you left. You struggled and made yourself very successful in life. You told me recently that you've lived a good life, better than anyone, and I know you have. Goodbye, my beautiful cousin. Rest in peace. I love you dearly. I love you dearly.